Are you crazy? We've only had one date. It lasted 14 minutes.
Yes, but it felt like 20.
Ugh, I can't. A ring? I mean, I like the ring, but no, I can't. You're too clingy.
How is this clingy?
And by the way, you look nothing like your profile picture. Francine, you gotta start dating outside of your species.
Franny, we can work this out. Is this about...
Clingy. Someone who is clingy is too dependent on another person.
On me, gang up on him, okay? Seriously, he's clingy. He literally is terrified of being by himself. Look,
Species. A group of animals or plants whose members are similar.
He's recently discovered a new species of spider down in South America.
Oh, Granny!
Maybe she wandered off?
Maybe she got hit in the head with the puck.
Yes, and maybe she was abducted by homicidal 30-foot dino birds seeking revenge on me. All good theories. I'm gonna go with the puck.
I knew it! So this whole time we've been chased by giant dino birds?
Oh, only 3. I didn't want to damage morale.
Right, because before this, we were on a carefree pleasure cruise.
Wander off. To leave a place where one is supposed to stay.
You're sorry that I just lost my biggest client in years because you guys decided to wander off and trespass on someone's private property, swim in their fountain, and oh,
Abduct. To take a person away by force.
There's no way that someone with the IQ of a 10-year-old could abduct 2 girls in broad daylight and then somehow make them disappear.
Morale. The level of confidence and positive feelings that people have.
The first thing that goes through a captain's head when he hears there's low morale going around is, what'd I do? Is it all my fault?
I'm sorry, Sid.
Oh, Granny! My sweet, malicious Granny! Why does it always have to be the old ones who go first? Why? I can still hear her sweet, shrill voice shrieking from the afterlife.
Granny's alive! And she's in trouble.
Malicious. Very unkind and cruel.
We do it wrong, being so majestical, to offer it the show of violence. For it is as the air invulnerable. And our vain blows malicious mockery.
Shrill. Loud and high.
What do you mean you don't have anything to recycle? You must have some magazines or newspapers.
That voice. That shrill, disagreeable voice. It's her!
Shriek. Scream.
He did not shriek, but the hideous, unholy abominations shrieked for him.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Well, hello, handsome. I'm Brooke. Ooh, such exquisite bone structure. Such a strong jaw. I'm getting butterflies.
I'm getting nauseous.
Sorry to interrupt this weirdo love connection, but we're kind of in a hurry.
Exquisite. Extremely beautiful and very delicately made.
This is Van Hoytel's exquisite portrayal of a beautiful boy on the cusp of manhood.
Nauseous. Feeling that you're going to vomit.
You look a little pale.
Blood makes me nauseous.
That doesn't even make any sense.
And what are you? A professor of logic? Professor Kitty McWhiskers of the University of Yam 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 Yam? You see? Tremendous pressure leads to a tremendous explosion.
And you call yourself a professor?
Right. We need all the crystals loaded into the volcano pronto.
What? No! I'm not giving you my crystals. We need them to rebuild our sanctuary.
Tremendous. Very great in amount or level.
Yes, sir. He's under a tremendous amount of stress.
Pronto. Quickly and without delay.
I don't want your book. I don't want your bullshit. Just send me back to my own time. Pronto, today.
Sanctuary. A peaceful place that is safe and provides protection.
Our target escaped us, and several of your dear neighbors informed us that you, the Sandins, have inexplicably given him sanctuary.